After we've gone through a fair amount of introspection and revisiting of the Adavus and trying to see how slowly one can open up the antenna towards looking at stepping out and you people creating work of your own, creating passages of your own. We now take up, for example, an existing line of a Pushpanjali. And Pushpanjali, we all know, is traditionally the first item that is done. And it really doesn't have too much of complicated rhythmic passages normally, because it's the first piece that you do as you enter the proscenium. So it gives enough scope for you to explore space as you enter. Sometimes even hastas are minimal. A pushpa putta you use and you try and create various patterns of the feet or the chatusra, tisra, misra, whatever is the pace of the entry piece. You create patterns so that it's interesting, because it's the first time the dancer is actually making an appearance before the audience. So there's also the audience is not looking only at the dance, also looking at the dancer, because her attire and her whole taking in everything. So you give them time to take in everything. Meanwhile, you're also getting used to the space, you're getting used to the entire environment, the musicians are getting used to their whole. So there is this settling down of sorts. Yet it can be done very interestingly. So let's take this basic one line of the Pushpanjali. Gambhir Nata. Tattom takatam kitatakat takajhunutam tattajam tagatajam tajhunutam takajhunutam tattom takatam kitatakat takajhunutam tattajam tagatajam tajhunutam takajhunutam. Just 2 avartanams. So the traditional entry, what would it be? Tell me. 1. Sneha, you do that. Let's see. Tattom takatam kitatakat takajhunutam tattajam tagatajam tajhunutam takajhunutam tattom takatam kitatakat takajhunutam tattajam tagatajam tajhunutam takajhunutam tattom takatam kitatakat takajhunutam tattajam tagatajam tajhunutam takajhunutam. Now this would be a very traditional, so-called old-fashioned entry, which is as per convention. You take a sarpanadai and you come in the middle, walk in the front, lay the flowers and do the 3 namaskars. Now let's see how can we make this little more interesting as you enter. What is the possibility that you can think of as you are entering, as you are walking? What are the things that you can create or think of in terms of variation of this entry? Musically, this is the phrase. It's pretty much simple. It's got no major intonations or anything like that. It just goes plain and straight. So think of improvisations for this, for the entry. Stretches normally goes for a slower pace. This has got a very different stretches. You need maybe a Mallari, you know. stretches look very nice because they are stretched notes. But here it's a very lively, it's got a pep to it. Tatom takatam kitatakata takajunutam tatajam tagatajam tajunutam takajunutam.
So we should maintain the walk.
See, as per the bowl, what does it say? Tatom takatam kitatatajjunutam takajunutam tatajam tagatajam takajunutam takajunutam. This is how it decodes in dance. So that is one possibility where you do tatom takatam and break it with a forward dititai. Try that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tatom takatam kitatatajjunutam takajunutam tatajam tagatajam tajunutam takajunutam tatom takatam kitatatajjunutam takajunutam tatajam tagatajam tajunutam takajunutam. Now this could be one variation which will following the pattern of the song. Now Dittitai, how else can you do? See, you have to think of how this can slowly then move on to the next. How else Dittitai Naramandi? Or so you can alternate so that it creates a variety as you walk. Hana, try that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tatom takatam kitatatajjunutam takajunutam tatajam tagatajam tajunutam takajunutam tatom takatam kitatatajjunutam takajunutam tatajam tagatajam tajunutam takajunutam. So you got 3 different varieties of doing the same thing. What else can you think of in this as you walk? Because you can break the tatom takatam in what different ways, that is what you have to see. Supposing you use a jump. Okay, let's see. Do it one by one, whatever you think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tatom takatam kitatatajjunutam takajunutam tatajam tagatajam tajunutam takajunutam. Now back sounds going reverse. This is something that is taking you onto the stage. You don't recede as you go to the stage. It's not convention, but it not really, it's not as you say mangalakaram, you don't go back. So maybe something that takes you forward is better, or spinning in place. Tatom takatam kitatatajjunutam takajunutam tatajam tagatajam tajunutam takajunutam. That could be an option. What else can you think of? 1, 2, 3, 4. Tatom takatam kitatatajjunutam takajunutam tatajam tagatajam tajunutam takajunutam tatom takatam kitatatajjunutam takajunutam. घूमी घूमी हो गया ये डबल घूमी. हाँ, जंप सपोजिंग करना है तो सपोजिंग यू ब्रेक इट फ्रॉम दैट वॉक, यू नो. ततोम तकताम ताम किटतक तकताम. नो, हाँ, ओके, ट्राई दिस व्हाटएवर यू वांट. 1, 2, 3, 4. ततोम तकताम किटतकतज्जुनुताम तकजुनुताम ततज्जम. स्ट्रेन लग रहा है जंप. It's not happening. It's not happening as a process. Na? Tatom takatam किटतक तज्जुनुतां तकजुनुतां तत्तज्जं तक तज्जं तज्जुनुतां तकजुनुतां तत्तों तकतां किटतक तज्जुनुतां तकजुनुतां तत्तज्जं तक तज्जं तज्जुनुतां तकजुनुतां. Nice. Now I was thinking, if you thinking like a Nattuvanar, thinking from the point of view of Tala, Usi is a nice idea. Tattom takatam kitatakatadjunutam takajunutam tattajam takatajam tajjunutam takajunutam tattom takatam kitatakatadjunutam takajunutam tattajam takatajam tajjunutam takajunutam. Further complicate करना है. तत्तों तकतां तकिटा तकतज्जुनुतां तकजुनुतां तत्तज्जं तकतज्जं तज्जुनुतां तकजुनुतां तत्तों तकतां किटा तकतज्जुनुतां. Then sama. So showing Usi and sama. Start with Usi, go to sama, then again to go to start with sama, go to Usi, and then come back to sama. So you can show the changes, and when you change into Usi, the attitude of the walk changes also. Tattom takatam, like it's like A, B, C, D. When it becomes Usi, it becomes challenging for you. So suddenly you come alive. Tattom takatam, you get a punch. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tattom takatam kitatakatadjunutam takajunutam tattajam takatajam tajjunutam takajunutam tattom takatam takitatakatadjunutam takajunutam tattajam takatajam sama takajunutam tattom takatam kitatakatadjunutam takajunutam tattajam takatajam tajjunutam takajunutam tattom takatam takitatakatadjunutam takajunutam tattajam takatajam tajjunutam takajunutam. So that keeps you, depends on how large the stage is and how much you can kind of move around. Then after that, customarily you just put the flowers and then start. Supposing before putting the flowers, you could create a little more patterns showing maybe the range of Bharatanatyam, in terms of postures, how you could interpret, because it has some very beautiful postures that other styles need not necessarily have. So you could think of, here you could think of maybe a full stretch, or I'm just giving you ideas. Tattom takatam, a full stretch, because that's a nice long movement with your hands just holding the flowers. I'm just throwing an idea, you could build on it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tattom takatam kitatakatadjunutam taka. See, it should have only one beat. So you should split. Tattom takatam kitatakatadjunutam takajunutam. You can't have ta ta ta. One, that no magic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tattom takatam kitatakatadjunutam takajunutam tattajam takatajam tajjunutam takajunutam. See, creates variations. Lifting of the foot also is possible. Monday is possible. Tattom takatam kitatakatadjunutam takajunutam tattajam takatajam tajjunutam takaju. You have to tell me what else is possible. I seem to be giving away all the cards. How? Tattom takatam kitatakatadjunutam takajunutam tattajam takatattajam tajjunutam takajunutam. So you move front. But for that you need to move back first. Because you already Sarpanada you have done, you have come ahead. Which means you need something to move back. So that spacing and that arrangement has to be done correctly.
But then is it not nice to move back? Or
No, here it is okay. Just a question of the entry that I thought.
Will that become easy?
No, I never said anything. See, if that's if you yourself are feeling it, obviously, see, your body will tell you what is within the grammar. You don't really need anybody to tell you. Give me 3 patterns. Give me 1, 2, 3, 4. Tattom takatam kitatakatadjunutam takajunutam tattajam takatattajam tajjunutam takajunutam. Why don't you alter it? This is like classroom dancing. So stretch, lift, stretch, lift. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tattom takatam kitatakatadjunutam takajunutam tattajam takatattajam tajjunutam takajunutam. Another pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tattom takatam kitatakatadjunutam takajunutam tattajam takatattajam tajjunutam takajunutam. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tattom takatam kitatakatadjunutam takajunutam tattajam takatattajam tajjunutam takajunutam. Okay. Now you come forward, put the flowers, go back, and customarily we do once more or twice more the same phrase before we move to the Anupallavi. So in that also you can think as to what you want to do.
Are there movements where we can move this hand as well? Till now it's only here.
हाँ, ताते तेता में तो करते ही हैं ऐसे ना. हाँ हाँ.
Not like a circle or a round.
Normally we don't, but depends on how you construct the movement. It all depends on that. You know, you did a leg raise. Maybe you could take the leg with the leg raise if you took the hand up. It depends on how you connect it. But this gives me a very Bengali dance look. Otherwise, so you have to really kind of see how and where you fit a certain movement, how you connect it with what. Should have a proper structure. You know, if just saying where to move the hand, that becomes disconnected. We can't say whether that's okay or not. So move up front and the walk. See, the walk, the class of the dancer comes in the walk. It's supposed to be the simplest, but if you don't do it with feel and with a little bit of stylized input, the walk can be very bad. And the same walk with a little bit of, you know, nuancing can make it so wonderful. So the walk has to be extremely, you know, arresting as you come into the stage. So, and straight when you walk, you know, there has to be that effect. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tattom takatam kitatakatadjunutam takajunutam tattajam takatattajam tajjunutam takajunutam tattom takatam kitatakatadjunutam takajunutam tattajam takatattajam tajjunutam takajunutam tattom takatam. Again, tajjunutam takajunutam tajjam takatattajam tajjunutam. Now you hear it once or twice. You can do a movement before you start the Anupallavi. So you can think what you want to do. It can be in the form of jumps, leaps, because now you're free, you don't have the flowers.
But
You have
no,
no, not necessary. ये हो गया. You've put the flowers, you've done your ritualistic thing. Now you need to move on. Initially, earlier it used to be tattam takatam. This used to be always the first shadow that used to be done. Tattam takajunutam. This is literally the opening up of the body, but it's not necessary. You can do anything for one avartanam which fits, after which you move to the Anubali.
all the Tatvikas that we worked on in the previous sessions, we could perhaps try some of those.
करके बताना पड़ेगा कैसे क्या जुड़ गया.
Let's see.
1, 2, 3, 4. Tattam takatam kita takatajjunutam takajunutam tatajjam takatajjam tajjunutam takajunutam, and then straight away move. नहीं, अब ताती दीदा का क्लास मत करो. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tattam takatam kita takatajjunutam takajunutam tatajjam takatajjam tajjunutam takajunutam. Slow fast combination is nice. Same thing as you did. If you do it as a slow fast combination, it will lead to the Anupallavi better. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tattam takatam kita takatajjunutam takajunutam tatajjam takatajjam tajjunutam takajunutam. Then you move to the next phrase. Anything else you want to add to this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Tattam takatam kita takatajjunutam takajunutam tatajjam takatajjam tajjunutam takajunutam. See, it's not giving the rhythm. Ideally, it would be better if you start the rhythm, because ab bahut ho gaya all that. You have to show the Chatusaram properly, and so it would be better not to do the stretched movements here. Better to do the proper phrase, the entire phrase as it is. Ideal.
How about we do this thing at the front?
Tattam takatam kita takatajjunutam takajunutam tatajjam takatajjam tajjunutam. See, you finished there, no? Start from there. Or 1, 2, 3, 4. Tattam takatam kita takatajjunutam takajunutam tatajjam single. Tatajjam takatajjam. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tattam takatam kita takatajjunutam takajunutam tatajjam takatajjam tajjunutam takajunutam. See, ideally connecting, trying to connect. What I was thinking is, even if you no, going too much. Tatajjam tajjunutam takajunutam. Yeah, something which brings in the symmetry and yet keeps the structure pretty much intact. So we are all a little lost. So let's collect ourselves and let's start from the beginning and see the kind of variations 3 of you have done, the beginning part of it, where I think the Sama Ushi thing came. You came forward, turned the flowers, went back, and each of you can do one variation each. And let's see how it goes. takatam. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tattom takatam kita takatajjunutam takajunutam. Tattajjam takatajjam tajjunutam takajunutam. Tattom takatam kita takatajjunutam takajunutam. Tattajjam takatajjam tajjunutam takajunutam. Tattom takatam kita takatajjunutam takajunutam. Tattajjam takatajjam tajjunutam takajunutam. Tattom takatam kita takatajjunutam takajunutam. Tattajjam takatajjam tajjunutam takajunutam. Tattom takatam kita takatajjunutam takajunutam. Tattajjam takatajjam tajjunutam takajunutam. Tattom takatam kita takatajjunutam takajunutam. Tattajjam takatajjam tajjunutam. Tattom takatam kita takatajjunutam takajunutam. Tattajjam takatajjam tajjunutam takajunutam. You can do the Mandiyadu if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tattom takatam kita takatajjunutam takajunutam. Tattajjam takatajjam tajjunutam takajunutam. Tattom takatam kita takatajjunutam takajunutam. Tattajjam takatajjam tajjunutam takajunutam. Tattom takatam kita takatajjunutam takajunutam. Tattajjam takatajjam tajjunutam takajunutam. Tattom takatam takita takatajjunutam takajunutam. Tattajjam takatajjam tajjunutam takajunutam. Tattom takatam kita takatajjunutam takajunutam. Tattajjam takatajjam tajjunutam takajunutam. Tattom takatam kita takatajjunutam takajunutam. Tattajjam takatajjam tajjunutam takajunutam. Tattom takatam takita takatajjunutam takajunutam. Tattajjam takatajjam tajjunutam takajunutam. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tattom takatam kita takatajjunutam takajunutam. Tattajjam takatajjam tajjunutam takajunutam. Tattom takatam kita takatajjunutam takajunutam. Tattajjam takatajjam tajjunutam takajunutam. Tattom takatam takita takatajjunutam takajunutam. Tattajjam takatajjam tajjunutam takajunutam. Tattom takatam kita takatajjunutam takajunutam. Tattajjam takatajjam tajjunutam takajunutam. Tattom takatam kita takatajjunutam takajunutam. Tattajjam takatajjam tajjunutam takajunutam. Tattom takatam kita takatajjunutam takajunutam. Tattajjam takatajjam tajjunutam takajunutam. Tattom takatam kita takatajjunutam takajunutam. Tattajjam takatajjam tajjunutam takajunutam. Yes. So you can see how that one phrase can be treated and it can be taken forward. Lots of variations are possible. As and when you feel, you can always revisit a piece and reconstruct the piece. So that's interesting, isn't it? Any doubts, any clarifications you need on what you've done? Or
How much in a Pushpanjali? How much can you lengthen the piece in the beginning? There must be a...
see, depends on the Anupallavi and Charanam. If they are short Anupallavi Charanams, you take a lot of the Pallavi. If the Anupallavi and Charanam are also a little longish, second phrase and third phrase, then you keep the first phrase short. Overall, the Pushpanjali cannot exceed about 4 to 5 minutes. It's just an opening piece. You don't go and push all that you know there. That's not the idea. We do the namaskar.